Anna. How's it going?
I'm okay, I guess.
What's wrong?
Well, I'm scared.
Why?
I keep getting bullied.
Where?
At school and online. I get online threats.
You know you can report that, right?
Really? But how?
It's easy. Report to Safe Schools Maryland. It's always available.
What's that?
It's an anonymous reporting system for school safety issues. You can report the tip online at safeschoolsnd.org or call in the tip at 1-833-NDB-SAFE. You can even download the app.
Thanks, Mary. But where does my tip go to?
Good question. I know just the person who can explain it. Hey, Landon.
Hey, Anna. You can submit the tip online, download the app, or even talk to a real person. The tip then goes to 24/7 365 Safe Schools Maryland tip takers who then pass it on to the right school safety partners.
Thanks, Landon. I am confident now to report any school safety issues to Safe Schools Maryland.
Always anonymous, always available. Safe Schools Maryland.